Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my simple, easy salmon soup. In Cambodian it's called ngao chruak tray. Let's get started guys. And here are the ingredients. Sliced scallions, cube salmon, lime, onion, garlic, and ginger. And for our seasoning, we will need salt, sugar, and chicken base mix. Let's start the cooking process. In a small pot, I have added about 12 ounces of water. I would heat up the water until it boils, and I would add in 1 clove of garlic, 2 to 3 slices of ginger, and 3 to 4 slices of onion. These will make the soup very aromatic. After you let your aromatic cook for 1 to 2 minutes, now you can add in your salmon. Now let's season the soup. This is half teaspoon of chicken base mix and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And let's also add a half teaspoon of sugar. Now we can take a spoon and mix all the ingredients together. And we will cook the salmon for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now after the salmon's cooked, we could add our green onions. And this will add a pop of color to the soup and will also bring some extra oniony flavor. And the last part is to squeeze in 1 lime, or you can add as much as you want to suit your taste bud. Our soup is done guys, now let's put them in a bowl. I like my soup a little spicy, so I add a little Thai chili pepper. This soup is very nostalgic and soothing for me. I would like to eat it with a bowl of steamed rice or just by itself. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.